Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy New Year's. It's New Year's Day. Want to go over something with you, mistake that I made. I'm changing a glow plug relay on a Ford 7.3. It's a 2001. Let me just show you something here. So here's the motor. Here's the original glow plug relay. You can see it's kind of crusty around the one positive post there, main post. So I got my trusty tools here. This is my snap-on little gun, some of my sockets, and here's the new relay. The mistake that I made was I took it apart using my little gun there. It's not an impact gun, it's just a nut driver, is really all it is, electric nut driver. It doesn't have much power behind it. I use it for pretty much everything when I'm doing light, easy work. And like an idiot, when I went to go tighten it up, instead of doing it by hand, I used the gun. And it does have enough power to over tighten things, and it's exactly what I did. Let me just show you. So right there, post right here, ripped it right out. It didn't take much, and as you can see, focus in on it. Let me see if I can focus in on it. It's got little knurls on it that hold it into, I guess, the Bakelite or whatever this thing's made out of. So basically, I ruined it. I know better. I should have done it by hand. I should have done it with my little 1/4-inch drive hand ratchet, but got stupid and I decided, let me just do this as fast as I can, and that's what happened. So I wound up having to go get another one, so this cost me $60, that mistake, and I'm gonna throw the new one on there and just move forward. Just gotta move on. You know, things happen, whatever. I made a mistake. I know better, but I still did it anyway. So I'm gonna get this done and get this truck back to the customer. If you guys like my videos, if you could hit the like button and subscribe if you could, please. It does help me out. I'm going to try to do more videos as the time goes on. I'm trying to do better videos. I'm going to try to keep them short and simple, and because I think that just keeps everybody's attention that way. But that's it for now. Hope you guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.